Hey there. I'm looking to speak with Richard Frawling or any district attorney.
What are you wanting to speak to them about?
I'm a victim of federal crimes.
Sorry, I have a glare from...
I'm a victim of federal crimes.
Okay. Specifically in regards to what?
Civil rights violations.
Okay. What's your name?
Being a victim of the crime is something I kind of would just like to share with the DA.
Okay. Let me see what I can do. If you want to take a seat.
Thank you.
Alright, so basically you've been trying to have FBI look at your, whatever you have.
I've been to the field office 3 different times to report the same crimes.
Right.
They will not tell me, give me any kind of status or update.
Right.
That's just how they are.
Right.
Alright, so, I mean, I'm here seeking information to see if the information was even referred to you guys, or if they are withholding it. And if it was referred to you guys, I would like an explanation of status, being the victim.
Okay. Well, first of all, we wouldn't be able to, if you have not been contacted, if a case was brought to us and we opened a matter and you were a victim, you would have been contacted. So that doesn't mean that nothing has been referred to us. It just means that you haven't been contacted. We are not able to comment on any ongoing investigations or anything that we have in the office. So there's nothing we can really do for you, unfortunately, right now, because it would be an ongoing investigation, and we can't
Okay,
comment on any of that.
but the issue is that the investigation involves government officials. You know, USC 242, deprivation of civil rights, USC 241, conspiracy against rights, and it's bad. It's repetitive. It's to the point where I would not be surprised that you guys do not want to pursue charges against government, because unfortunately that is how government is. That's
Okay. What did the FBI say to you?
They took my report, they took my statement, and they would not give me any more information beyond that. Kind of like how you're doing. That's not really fair to me as a U.S. citizen, as a victim of these crimes, because it is your ethical obligation to me as a citizen to defend my rights underneath your oath and uphold the rule of law and justice. Are you not?
Yes.
Okay.
But we do not investigate cases. This office does not investigate cases. We prosecute cases that have been brought to us by agencies, federal agencies.
Okay, but
or
what
local
if
law
the
enforcement.
agency is deliberately withholding to cover up the conspiracy?
Well, then I guess you got to go higher up in FBI then. So.
I've tried that, and I get the same roadblocks that all government's giving me.
Okay.
You say okay, but I don't think you understand the gravity of the situation.
Well, obviously I don't know anything about it. So, I can go. Let me go see if there's an attorney available. But
Which attorney is on in the office? Like,
we have lots of attorneys in the office.
okay, but which one are you going to go see is available? I would prefer to speak with Richard Frawling.
We have certain
Alright.
procedures for that, so that's what I will follow.
Okay.
So I can go do that for you,
And your name is
Andrea.
Andrea?
Yep.
May I have a last name?
No.
Fair enough.
Okay. So you want to report. Let's see. Report a civil rights violation.
I've already done that, and they've deliberately ignored me.
Well, when did you do this?
Over a year ago.
Oh.
And I actually wrote them a second letter.
You contacted these people? The Civil Rights Division at DC?
Yep. I even sent them a second letter asking for a follow-up because I never got a response from them. Zero response.
Okay.
Like I told you, I am getting the same response from everyone, which tells me that you people have no intention of defending my rights, which is not right.
Okay.
And it makes the situation even worse. And it allows these government officials that keep violating my rights to repeatedly do it with impunity.
I also got information on if you want to file a complaint regarding the FBI. So,
I've already done that.
okay.
Do you have any other thing? Because I've done everything.
Okay. Well, I guess you could, if you would like to send us, do you have any information right now?
Yes. I have 2 CDs packed with evidence.
Okay.
I even sent one of these to you guys certified, and you received it May 30th, and I received 0 response.
From this year?
Yes. Did you not receive a certified letter from me?
I don't, what is your name?
Ian Olson.
I don't know. I would have to look. I don't.
Because I honestly would not be surprised if my federal mail was being tampered with and intercepted because of the contents that I am trying to deliver, because it exposes government corruption, government conspiracy, and deprivation of rights. And it's so bad that it includes judges, DAs, police, DOD, and the FBI field office.
Okay.
It's bad.
Okay. Okay.
And no DA is willing to even talk to me? Not to give me a comment or anything? I can't get just 2 words with one?
The one that would be able to talk to you is not available right now, no. So,
Which one is that?
they're not available. We have certain attorneys.
Okay,
for certain
but this DA has a name, right?
Not available right now.
The
So,
DA has a name though, right?
This is the U.S. Attorney's Office.
Okay, well the U.S. Attorney has a name, right?
Yeah.
May I have it?
The U.S. Attorney, the acting U.S. Attorney right
The
now.
one that's
So,
busy.
That would be our duty.
Okay, does he have a
Attorney.
name? Okay, he's got a name. May I have it?
And he is not here right now.
Okay,
So
but
we
wait-
could leave a message for him.
You're not
Leave a message for him.
you're not answering my question though.
I can leave a message for him.
Okay, are you willing to provide me his name?
Not right now, I'm not. But I could leave a message
Could you
for
please
him,
explain to me why?
because I am not willing to right now.
Okay, but could you explain further? Like, what's your reasoning for withholding
Not right now.
a public official's
Why
name?
don't you want to just leave a message for him? Why can't you just leave a message for him?
Because I'm going to get no callback. I'm going to get no response.
Okay. Okay, well, I'm doing what I can to help you right now. So,
See, the issue is I would like a name because this is my message. You can give this to him.
okay.
And I would like to come back and follow up with
Okay.
this person that you're going to give those to. But I need a name.
Okay. There's no reason to come back here if you don't hear from us.
There is a reason, because that means you guys plan on doing nothing.
Again, we do not investigate. We prosecute.
I understand that.
So have you gone to your local law enforcement yet? Local PD?
Yes.
You have.
They are the ones that are violating my rights and persecuting and prosecuting. I actually have unconstitutional bail restrictions right now that prevent me from reporting any of their abuses of power or contacting any government entity by written letter. That's highly unconstitutional.
You have bail violations?
Bail
Okay,
restrictions.
so are you on probation right now?
No, I'm on bail.
You're on bail, okay. So do you have a probation officer?
No,
Okay,
that's not what bail.
okay. Okay,
May I please just have a first name?
it changes weekly, so there's no reason to give you a name when it changes weekly. Okay?
But you're going to give that to someone today.
Yes, I will give this to somebody today,
Okay.
okay?
I do not
And I
understand.
don't, because I don't know if they will turn this over to another attorney. I don't know that.
Okay, but I would like to.
So there's no reason.
No, there is a
Do you want to
reason.
give me is your name and everything on here?
I'll write my name on the back.
What's your name and number?
I mean, you're making it impossible for me to follow up. Absolutely impossible, and I don't understand why. I don't understand why you're withholding a name when it's
Because it could be a different name.
okay.
So there's no reason to give you a name right now.
There really is.
I don't know.
There's-
Once
there's-
somebody
okay, no.
reviews this,
The truth here is there is no reason why you can't give me a name.
okay.
Explain to me the reason why you can't.
Sir, I am trying to help you. I've taken your information and I will give it to an attorney. And that is all the information that I'm going to give you right now.
Can you tell them to give me a call and just let me know what's happening?
Yes,
Give me an
I can
update?
do that. That is what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry, it's just, I don't mean to be a little frustrated, I don't understand this, why you're roadblocking me on just a simple name, and also the gravity of the situation is so bad.
Okay.
I mean, you say
Because
okay,
I'm telling you.
and you shrug your shoulders like,
I'm telling you because you need to go through the other channels. And
I-
I can't help it that FBI and everybody else is not.
okay, but you don't understand, they are
So,
implicating themselves in the
Have
confusion.
you, when you go to FBI, have you asked for a supervisor?
No, they do the same thing that you're gonna do to me, they give me the duty officer.
Yes. Okay.
They won't give me anything else. You guys create these obstacles,
Mhm.
and I don't understand.
Okay.
I'm a victim here. I'm a citizen of your district. I have had my rights legitimately violated, and all of you you swear an oath to uphold my rights, uphold justice, uphold the rule of law. And I can provide you with plenty of evidence that would justify prosecution.
And you
That,
that's on here.
yes, there's,
Okay. So if our attorneys determine that these are violations of the law, they will refer it to the appropriate agency.
let me see it one more time. I want to write down the statutes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Usually there's a title and a code. So USC 242, is it, what's the title?
Deprivation of civil rights.
No, I mean, like there's usually there's a, this isn't a full number.
No, it is.
Hmm?
It is.
Okay. All right.
You can simply Google it. May I have those, just for records? The piece of paper?
These?
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, I've done it already, but
Okay. And you wrote your name.
my name and my number.
Okay.
And I would really appreciate a call within the week.
Okay. I will tell them that.
Thank you.
Okay.